Hi friends, it's Cheryl from the Lifestyle Digs, and thanks for stopping by to watch a quick 6-day recap as I walk between Villalcázar de Sirga to Leon. One of the most important things along this route is when I hit the town of Sahagun. That's approximately the halfway mark on the Camino de Santiago, so I have walked nearly 400 kilometers. And stay tuned, I have a little ditty coming up, a song I created while I have too much time to think on the Camino. It's a long way to Santiago. It's a long way to go. It's a long way to Santiago, to a place that I don't know. Goodbye, Pamplona. Farewell, Logroño. It's a long, long way to Santiago, but my feet will get me there. Yeah! Okay, walking into Leon, still probably an hour away. We're kind of on this walking path above the highway. Looks like a pretty big town. So many of these old churches and buildings, they have these big honking bird nests. Apparently for storks, but I haven't seen any yet. Just see a few pigeons and doves.